Everyone has a song that belongs to their life, that will go on and on through the years of their life. There's a wonderful song one that you brought to me, and I look on the song as my life journey. This is the song of my life. It will go on through my life. Something you said tenderly, silence you say for me. It says some things that we share. Only you is here. I walk alone day and night, singing the song of my life. I can picture the past that we knew yesterday. Every tear, every love, every step of the way.